Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create arc effect to text in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to create arc effect to text. Go to the Insert menu. Then select the word art option. Then choose any word art. Then write anything on this word art. Then click OK. Then select the word art text. Go to the word art menu. Then select change word art. And we can see here many word arts. Then we select the arc effect. Here the arc. Then we resize the text. Now we can see we create the arc effect to text very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.